Cochinita Pibil is a specialty from the Yucatan Peninsula, but you can find versions of this slow-roasted pork dish all over Mexico. In Mexico City, one of my favorite places for cochinita is at the public market in San Juan de Aragón. They're open every day, 7 days a week, from 8:30 to 5:30. This is your typical public market in Mexico, and outside you'll often hear musicians. Inside you'll find practically anything you could need. This includes hardware items, cooking utensils, shoes, clothing, herbs, and folk remedies, but often it's the food that offers the most colorful experience. There's always a section where butchers are selling fresh meats and poultry, fishmongers are displaying the catch of the day, and vendors push baked goods, dairy items, spices, and condiments. There's always a huge produce section as well, and for fruits you'll find tons of local mangoes and melons, apples, oranges, pineapples, prickly pears, dragon fruit, limes, lemons, and more. And the best part of all is all the food stalls and the small family-run eateries. This market in the 6th section of San Juan de Aragón has some of the best food I've had in any market in Mexico City. There's some great places for soups and carnitas and chicharrón and tacos, but they're really known for their gorditas here. And one of my favorite eateries is this place. They specialize in Cochinita Pibil. You can get it by the kilo, but you can also get it in a sandwich, torta, in tacos, in panuchos, and best of all, in gorditas. This is Don Umberto Lomas, who has been frying up these great Cochinita Pibil gorditas for 30 years now. He runs the place with his wife. As you can see, she's taking cornmeal masa and she's stuffing it with Cochinita Pibil and then shaping it into a thick tortilla. There are several different ways to make gorditas, but this is probably the most typical. You take the raw cornmeal dough, you stuff it, and then you fry it. And she asks if I'd like to try it, so of course I would. And she gives me a tostada with some beans and a nice big mound of Cochinita Pibil. And the typical garnish is pickled red onion, so we've got a little to highlight the flavors. And the bright color of the cochinita comes from achiote, or onato, which is a seed that often is called poor man's saffron. So look how big those are. And they're only 15 pesos each, so you're talking about 70 cents for a huge gordita with Don Umberto. Okay, and here comes the first gordita, and she says she's put some of the adobo, the kind of thick marinade that seasons the pork, with the achiote on top so we can try it. So we're gonna garnish it, and it's delicious, it's crunchy, the pork is nice and spicy, it's really a delicious gordita. So we're gonna make sure to get some more, and I hope you can come to the Mercado San Juan de Aragón in the 6th section, or La Sexta Sección.